Hi, I'm Philip and a host with WSI or Wellhead Systems. Today we're going to go through the differences of the old style ram bolt and housing versus the new style ram bolt and housing through 5K BOP. We also show the assembly of each one. As you can tell, the housing of each look pretty similar until you get in the inside. You see where threads are. Threads in the old style are up front. There's no threads in the front for the new style. Goes to your ram bolts where your threads are. Reason being for this is while the well is, or the BOP is on the well, it doesn't get elements attacking your threads with them further back. Where the old style, they're up front, they're exposed to all the elements. Each one has a gland packing nut. You see the differences in each, and that's to accommodate the different style of seal and also the threads for the ram bolts. Each one has a piece of packing. The new style has an O-ring so the seal stays and the pressure doesn't tear up your packing and it holds it in. Each one carries an O-ring. We'll assemble the old style first. Take your ram bolt, go from the inside, screw it in. Get it through about halfway. Take your piece of packing and your gland nut. You screw it in and you do not tighten it completely down. Your O-ring will come on next. That's how you assemble the old style. Your new style, you're going to take your ram bolt, put a washer, piece of packing, and it's going to go inside your gland nut. Now, your washer is going to keep your packing from going past your gland nut. You're going to slide it in to your housing and thread it up. And do not tighten it all the way down. Take your O-ring, place it in its groove, and that's how you assemble the new style.